video, especially to the people there. But other than that, I would like to appreciate the following for their attendance to my party. To the Escleto family, Soratorio family, especially to those who came from Negros. Family, Hayat family, Mena family, Soria family, Batulio family, Castracion and Cortes family, Maido family, Galofin family, Adelacion family, especially to Dadimel, my LM friends and parents, my JHS friends, the ones who gave me my fun days during junior high school, those scrumming and playing sa bench siya o we forgot about our studies pero we survived. My SHS friends, the people who actually made me study and strive harder. To the photographer, to the makeup artist, to the hotel staffs, technical staffs, and to all those that helped and contributed in their own ways for my debut to happen. I again thank you very much and have a wonderful night, everyone. And please don't leave yet kay may souvenirs pa. Thank you.